Now in the remember we had already downloaded and installed our Connectify, which is already here on our desktop. So after installing, you have to reboot your PC. After rebooting, you have to open now this software. Once you open, this is the interface of the thing. Internet to share, this is the internet you're sharing. Remember, you can see here I have my Wi-Fi, it's the one which is connected, it's here. The network access is routed, this is the name and this is the password. Now you should make sure that there are three modes here. There is Wi-Fi hotspot, wired router, then the Wi-Fi repeater. They're all here. Now here, make sure that your device it's in Wi-Fi hotspot. Make sure your device is in this Wi-Fi hotspot mode before connecting. So when it's in Wi-Fi hotspot mode, you can decide to change this hotspot name. But remember, I told you it has a premium version and a free version. And you can see over here that the changing the name is only for the pro version, the premium version. Now the password, you can decide to edit your own password. You can decide to change your own password. You can decide to change your own password. After changing your password, you're all set. There is this part of clients. You will be able to see everyone who is connected on your device. Connected to my hotspot 0, previously connected 0. Then QR code. If someone wants to connect on your hotspot, he or she can scan this QR code. So once all that is done, you click here on start hotspot. When you click on start hotspot, you have to wait for one or a few seconds for it to run and start. So it is still starting. Just wait 1 or 2 minutes, in fact few seconds for it to start. Once it is active, you will be able to connect your device. So it's now connected. Hotspot started. It has started connecting and there are no clients who are connected. So okay, I've connected my device and here you can see that the clients, I'm the only one who is connected. You can see I've connected my device and see connected to my hotspot 1. It can even show you the speed. So the speed depends on your source, on your internet source. If previously on your PC your internet speed was slow, even here it will be slow. If it was fast, here also it will be fast. So this is it. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, like, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video tutorials.